Hello guys, Dhananjay here and welcome back to a new video in which we are going to unbox this Motorola 40-inch Android TV, and in this video I'll show you what you get inside the TV, what are the features that this TV has to offer, and my initial impressions as well. Without further delay, let's get started. First of all, let's talk about the 40-inch size, which I feel like is a perfect size for my room. Like, this is my personal opinion. I always feel like 32-inch the best one for my room because the room is quite small, whereas 43-inch is good enough, but it's slightly bigger. 40-inch feels like the ideal. It's not too big, it's not too small. That's why I'm excited to test this TV out, and that's just one of those reasons. This is India's first TV that has launched with Android 10. Plus, this is world's first full HD TV to get Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos support out of the box. Not just that, but it also comes with 40-watt speaker, 2GB RAM, 1.5 GHz processor, 16GB of internet. There are way too many things to talk about, and the pricing is just 20,000 rupees, and this is very competitive pricing in my opinion. So without wasting any more time, let's get started with the unboxing. So the first things that we get inside the box is this manual, the Motorola quick setup guide. Then we also have the remote control inside the TV itself, and we get the cord. This is the main cord which you need to attach to give power to the TV basically. And you also get this adapter. So basically, if you have an old DTH set-top box, then you can use this cable. Like, this part goes into the TV and all the wires coming out of the set-top box will be attached over here, and the TV will connect to the old set-top box very easily. You also get batteries which can be inserted into the phone, and some screws to attach the tabletop mount, which I will attach definitely over here. You also get tabletop mount in the box, and as you can hear, this is a metallic tabletop mount. Now I have attached the tabletop mount and the TV is ready, set to start. Before that, let's talk about some hardware specifications because that's really important. This one comes with a very powerful MediaTek quad-core processor at 1.5 GHz, 2GB of RAM and 16GB of internal storage. Why am I emphasizing more on 16GB of internal storage? That's because you can install multiple games and install a lot of applications with the TV, and as the TV comes with G52 GPU, which is an 850 MHz GPU, which is crazy at this price point, you are definitely going to play a lot of games, and we are going to play that as well. Talking about the TV, the bezels, top bezel, bottom bezel and side bezels are identical and comparatively small. 40-watt speaker. I was assuming there would be a big sound bar at the bottom and the bezels at the bottom won't be so small, but they are very small. The speakers are integrated inside the TV, and the TV comes with a convex stand, which means that it is going to be really stable. If I do this, the TV doesn't fall. Like, this is not something which a regular family would do or anyone would do, but still, just for information, it looks stylish. This is something which I have seen on higher end TVs usually. Now it's time to start the TV. Now the remote control which you get with the TV is a Bluetooth remote control, and if you look at all these buttons, this is the classic remote control that we had earlier. All the buttons, like from 1 to 0, you can change the input source, information, mute button is present at the top. You can navigate through the UI by pressing all these buttons. Then there is Netflix button, Google Play, YouTube, Z5, 4 dedicated buttons. Dedicated Google Assistant button is also there, and yes, you can speak to the remote like by pressing the Google Assistant button, and the TV will respond to that. Then we also have subtitle, reveal, next, index, hold. All these buttons are obvious. There are a lot of buttons. This is not one of those minimalistic one which comes with less number of buttons. You get all the buttons that you will ever need in this remote control. Now there is a quick way to set up the TV. Simply select the language as English or whichever language you prefer. Then quickly set up your TV with Android phone. Select continue. I show this in all my TV reviews usually. And on your screen, on your mobile phone, start Google Assistant and say set up my device. And as you can see, I am connecting to my 5 GHz networks because the TV supports 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz network, which is always a very nice thing to see. And now just select copies, verify that it's you, select your Gmail account, enter your password, and the Gmail account will be copied to the TV. You do not have to type in your Gmail ID, password, Netflix ID password. You just have to sign in with it, and if all that is synced with your Gmail account, then it will show up on the TV itself. So it's been a couple of hours that I've been using the TV. After setting it up, I installed all the applications, signed into all of them. First of all, let's talk about the software. This device comes with Android 10 out of the box, but if we look at the settings menu, it looks very similar to how it was on Android 9, and that's actually a good thing because you keep that familiarity. But if we go into device preferences, then over here you can see that it's Android version 10.0 This is the first Android TV in India to come with Android 10 out of the box, just in case if I did not mention that. And Android 10 brings enhanced speed, accuracy, improved memory optimization, a dark theme, fast boot options. All these will be improved. Plus, most importantly, as this is Android 10 that you get out of the box, Motorola will be providing you a lot of software updates if you buy this TV. So this is how you can check for system update. Simply go into settings, then system update, as I did right now, and check for updates. Right now I am on the latest software update, but make sure to check for software updates regularly if you buy this TV, because as this is latest Android version, Motorola will be pushing software updates to make it even better. Now, one thing which I did not understand how Motorola managed to do it is that if I play a YouTube video, and as this is a 1080p TV, yes, this is a 40-inch full HD TV and not a 4K TV. But if I go into more and quality, as you can see, you can play videos at 4K resolution, 1440p or 1080p. Obviously, my internet connection is strong enough to support 4K videos. And if I play 4K videos, it works just fine. No issues whatsoever. That's fantastic. Not just that, if I press home button, it will go to home directly. It was so fast. While I was talking, it happened completely. And if I go into Netflix application now, and if we play our test patterns on Netflix, then that will also go to 4K resolution. That's fantastic. Not just that, it's 4K at 60 FPS. Basically 4K 60 FPS, 1080p 60 FPS, 1440p 60 FPS. Everything is supported on the TV, even though this TV is 1080p. So if you have very fast unlimited internet connection, now you know how to utilize it completely. Another software feature that is present is that on Netflix application, if I play something which supports Dolby Vision, as you can see, it shows that it supports Dolby Vision, and that's being played. Resume playing. I'll just resume. Then you get a switch to control Dolby Atmos, Dolby Audio, everything. For that, press on the menu button on your TV. As you can see, it is being played in the Dolby Vision mode. You can go into more, and these are the two options, picture and sound. Select picture, Dolby Vision is selected over here. If you watch something which does not support Dolby Vision, then Dolby Vision will not be enabled. Obviously, you need to watch Dolby Vision enabled content in order for it to show it over here. Then click on Dolby Vision. You can select between different presets. Currently, I have selected Dolby Vision Vivid. I can select Dolby Vision Dark, and it will change few things and it will look like this. I can also select Dolby Vision Bright, and it will look bright as the name suggests. I personally liked how Dolby Vision Vivid looked. That's just my personal preference. Not just that, you can also change backlight, brightness, contrast, saturation, sharpness, gamma according to your liking. I personally liked how Dolby Vision Vivid looked, so I'm going to keep that. Not just that, if we go into sound setting, Dolby Atmos can be enabled or disabled. Frankly speaking, enable Dolby Atmos, there is no question asked, because when I started listening to some songs, I was like, oh my god, it becomes really loud, but the sound clarity didn't feel that great. But as soon as I enabled Dolby Audio, oh my god, it sounded way better, way better. We'll talk about how the sound quality is on this TV in later part of this video. So this is how it is. Now let's talk about the display panel. This panel on the TV looks great when you view the TV from the front side. Fantastic, looks great. I'll just go back, I'll play something else, and when I view the content from this angle, like literally 170 160 degrees, the content looks good. Here is a side-by-side comparison from this front angle and the side angle. I would say I was happy with the display quality with Dolby Vision enabled and watching Dolby Vision content. It looked really good. None of the ports on this TV are at the bottom side, like you do not have to figure out where the pin will go. All the ports are on the side and they are very easily accessible. Now you get AV in port, antenna in port, 2 USB ports, 2 HDMI ports, 1 digital audio out, and 1 LAN port as well. HDMI 2.0 port is supported on this TV. After watching few videos with Dolby Vision enabled, I can say that just with contrast enabled, brightness lowered, saturation enabled, you will not get that feel that you will get with Dolby Vision for sure. So having Dolby Vision on a TV with 20,000 rupees is definitely a plus point. Now Motorola TV also comes with Auto Tune X Plus technology, which adjusts the picture setting automatically for the best viewing experience and on the basis of what is being shown on the screen at that particular moment. TV also supports contrast dimming, which Motorola claims to make dark areas even darker and to make them look much better. And in this type of video where there is a dark part, like I can definitely see that it's really dark. On cheap LCD panels, it does not really look this black. This is definitely on the higher end of display qualities in this particular price segment. Dolby Atmos with 40 watt speaker and DTS Studio sound, which is also supported with the TV. This combination is something which I have not seen earlier at this particular price segment. Let's play this song and let's see how it sounds. Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. It's not sounding that great, right? Let me turn on Dolby Atmos because I had turned it off. And love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go through the wastelands, through the highways. And on we'll go. So if you're planning to buy this TV, you know what settings to turn on. Enable Dolby Atmos and select the music mode by selecting the menu button on your remote, and Dolby sound mode set to music. Music will sound so much better with Dolby Atmos turned on, and this is probably one of those times where you have to turn on Dolby Atmos no matter what. No questions, don't ask any questions. Now talking about the sound quality, does it become loud? Very loud. It is more than enough to fill in an entire room, medium or big size. No issues over there. For the size of 40 inch, I would say the speaker is definitely louder than the size. This is a speaker which should be in a 55 inch TV, but I have seen few TVs at 55 inches coming with a 24, 25 watt speakers. Come on, 30 watts at least, 40 inch at 20,000 with 40 watt speaker. But there is one thing which I want to mention about the sound quality is that when there are vocals, it sounds fantastic. If you decrease the volume to about 50 or 40, then they sound perfect. Like they are so good. But when it comes to bass, it's almost non-existent with Dolby Atmos disabled. But as soon as you enable it and set it to music mode, you hear that little bit of extra bass. But with this 40 watt speaker, I was expecting a little bit of extra bass out of the speaker. The speaker becomes really loud though. So I have these TWS earphones with me. They are in pairing mode right now. And if you want to connect your earphone, Bluetooth earphones, then simply go into remotes and accessories, select add accessory, and it will start searching for an accessory, which will be this one. And as you can see, it's showing up WF-XB700. Yeah, it said Bluetooth connected, meaning these are paired. Whatever you play on the TV, you will be able to hear this in this TV. You can also connect a gamepad in the same way, and it does not have to be TWS. It can be a neckband which can be connected. Basically, any Bluetooth accessory can be connected to the TV. Not just that, but I have also connected my device, which is Poco X3, and you can play songs from your phone to the TV via Bluetooth mode. Just in case if you do not have Wi-Fi at your house and you want to listen to songs, then simply go into the app section. There is a app installed which is Bluetooth audio. Currently it's in transmitter mode. Select receiver mode. So now as this is in receiver mode, I'll just connect it to Flipkart TV, and it is connected, and it supports AAC codec as well. I was not expecting that to happen. Actually, I was expecting it to have just SBC codec. Just in case if you do not know, AAC codec is better as compared to SBC codec. And connected via Bluetooth. Now ready to play. Press OK to return to the turn off the screen. Screen is turned off. I'm connected on my phone. I'll play the song on my smartphone. I'll turn it on. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. As you can see, it is saying no connection because I've turned off my Wi-Fi and mobile data. So it is still working fine, no issues whatsoever. And if I press OK button once again, it will come back to life. You can go back by pressing the home button, and you're good to go. Not just that, as this is Android 10 and as this is an Android TV, Chromecast support is also there. You just have to make sure that you connect the TV and your smartphone to the same Wi-Fi network. Currently I have done that. Now if I'm playing a song on my TV, I want to cast it to my TV, simply press on this cast button and select the TV. Currently TV's name is Flipkart TV, and instantly it will recognize that it will start playing the song on the TV. So Now it's not playing. Now it's not playing on the TV because we had connected our Bluetooth TWS earphones. Let's disconnect them. It will start playing because it's not playing on Bluetooth now. And the same thing can be done from YouTube application as well. Just select the video that you want to play, select cast, select Flipkart TV, and within seconds it will start playing. And that's as I said earlier, the TV is the TV is very loud. I'll just go back, go to the home. And casting is supported by most of the applications, including YouTube, Z5, Sony Live, Flipkart, Amazon Prime, Netflix. Everything supports casting. Just use your smartphone, cast it to your TV, it will start playing on the TV directly. And I guess that's pretty much it for my unboxing and initial impressions of the Motorola ZX2 TV. If you still have any more doubts, suggestions or queries regarding this TV, do let me know about that in the comment section box below, or you can tweet it to me at @Dhananjay_tech. This is a Big Billion Day special TV, and the link to buy this TV will be present in the description box below. Don't forget to check out the link if you want any more info, Flipkart listing, everything is in the description box below. I guess that's it. If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and press the bell icon so that you get notified next time I upload a video like this one. So yeah, thank you guys. Thank you for watching.